So vector from B, what's it say? Position vector of B relative to C. So it's relative to C. So we're starting at C and going to B. We're finding vector CB, and that is going to be vector OB take OC. Okay, so vector AB is OB take OA. Then vector CB is going to be OB take OC. And we'll use the coordinates up here. That's going to be so -2 take -4. That's -2 plus 4. That's +2. And then we've got 3 take -2. That's going to be 3 plus 2. That's going to be 5. Okay, now I'm going to rub it out because we're limited with space here. If anyone ever becomes an architect, whiteboards go a long ways. So any objections? Okay, so then we have find the two possible coordinates of x given the magnitude of vector CD. Okay, so what we're told is D has coordinates x4 and C has coordinates -4, -2. Okay, so firstly, and vector CD has a magnitude of the square root of 42. So we need to find the possible values of x, the possible x coordinates here. So first, let's find vector CD. Okay, so vector CD is going to be equal to OD take OC. Alright, so that's going to be our D, which is x4, take away -4, -2. Alright, so that's going to be x plus 4 and 6. Okay, so that's vector CD. Now we know vector CD has a magnitude of the square root of 42. So if this is the vector, remember the magnitude of it is going to be the square root of x plus 4 squared. So it's the horizontal value squared plus the vertical value squared, plus 6 squared. Okay, so we'll crank this out a bit. Now we can, straight away, because we've got the square root on both sides, we can just get rid of that. We can square both sides. We're going to have, and we're going to expand this. Okay, we've got x plus 4 squared. Let's fully expand it. Even then, actually, let's leave it. So we could expand it and then solve that quadratic, but let's leave it. And instead we'll do it like this. Okay, we can subtract 36 from both sides. Okay, so we're going to have x plus 4 is 42 take 36. We've got 6. Okay, now to get the x plus 4, we're going to square root both sides. And so I might come up here. What we would have is we'll have x plus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 6. Okay? And then x is equal to -4 plus or minus the square root of 6. So there's two possible values for x. Okay, it's going to be, we could have -4 plus root 6 or -4 take root 6. Let's evaluate them to a few figures.
So take a photo of that for me.
Okay, so you've got -1.55 or -6.5. Okay, so two values of x that make the magnitude of this vector equal to 42. So that's probably one of the more complex processes we've explored so far. Vectors has been reasonably simple. So we'll see a few of them and we'll give them a go. So let's get into 3F.
Got him sorted.